Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about two play yards, the 4Moms Breeze Plus and the Bugaboo Stardust. In terms of design, both come with a removable bassinet insert. The 4Moms also comes with a flip-down changer that hooks directly onto the frame. They each have these mesh panels to ensure your child is getting airflow. They both have the structured boxy design, but the 4Moms is wider and shorter. The Bugaboo Stardust is skinnier and a bit taller, making it look a little more like a crib than a play yard. The 4Moms Breeze Plus is a little bit bulkier. It weighs on its own about 23 pounds. When you add in the bassinet, it weighs about 29 pounds. In contrast, the Bugaboo Stardust weighs about 15 pounds. Now we'll compare the bassinets. The bassinet on the Bugaboo Stardust zips all the way around the perimeter on the inside. The 4Moms bassinet has hooks on the outside edges of the frame, which you cover with the fabric. For the mattress, you also need to zip off its detachable sides for it to fit into the bassinet. In terms of weight capacity, the Stardust bassinet can hold a little bit more. It holds up to 19.8 pounds. In comparison, the Breeze Plus holds 18 pounds both in the bassinet and the changer. The 4Moms Breeze Plus has wheels on the feet for easy maneuvering. Now we're going to talk about the differences in their folds. With the Breeze Plus, you have to remove the bassinet and mattress pad first. From there, it's just a pull tab in the base for an easy one-handed fold. It collapses easily and stands on its own, and then you can secure the Velcro on the edges of the mattress pad to store it. It has a compact square shape. With the Bugaboo Stardust, you have to remove the bassinet insert, but unlike other play yards, you can leave the mattress pad in. Its fold requires two hands to push the buttons on either side of the frame to collapse the top. Then use your toes to fold the base. You can push the sides together and snap the buttons on the edges to keep it in a skinny flat fold. It also stands upright. Depending on the size and shape of the storage space you have, you may prefer the tube-like shape of the Breeze Plus or the skinny flat fold of the Stardust. Both options come with a form-fitting travel bag, and luckily the bassinet inserts will fit into them. That being said, the removable changer of the 4Moms Breeze Plus will not. In terms of unfolding, the 4Moms Breeze Plus just has the simple one-push unfold, but with the Bugaboo you have to use two hands to push the sides apart and then lock the frame. The 4Moms Breeze is about $50 cheaper than the Bugaboo Stardust, which is something to consider when you're looking at both options. Both of these play yards are really great options depending on what you want them for. The Breeze may be a little bit better for things like actually playing in them because it's a little bit wider and gives your kid a little bit more space to play. With the Bugaboo Stardust being a little bit skinnier, it's a little bit better for sleep than it is for play. With that though, we think both options are really amazing. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw here today, you can shop these products and all of the other products in our videos at babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To see another one of our product comparison videos, click here, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's any products you would like to learn more about, let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much.